Hi everyone, today I want to show you my new rear engine riding mower that I picked up in the estate sale for 25 bucks. It's a Case model XC80. It's probably from the late 70s, be my guess, maybe early 80s. It's got a cute little prop rod here for the back end. And all this really needed was new fuel line, carburetor cleaning, and the battery's completely dead, so I actually put a recoil start on it. And as you can see, someone actually added in a horn. I can't test the horn without the battery working, but it's kind of cute. But it starts right up and sounds great. Probably would help if I put it on run. So this has got a really interesting drive mechanism. It's kind of like, let's see if you can see it in the sun here. It's like the Aaron snowblowers with a wheel and plate. And when you hit the shift, it'll move the plate here. Let's see. What I'm doing up here is on the shifter, press down and then move it around. And to go to reverse, you push it down and go backwards. And in neutral is when it pops up. Blade is just a single on-off. And it's got the height adjustment here. Pretty simple machine. Oldie but a goodie. Kind of rusty, but overall not bad.